So you might be in a situation where for some reason Paramount Plus is just not working. So maybe it's not loading anything or the application itself isn't loading. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I would recommend doing here is to go through and just make sure that you're properly connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection or some sort of data connection. Most of the time, if you're running into some sort of problem like this, your best bet is to just go through and just make sure you're not running into those types of problems. So that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here, is to go through and make sure you have some sort of Wi-Fi connection here or some sort of data connection. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and try seeing if you can either refresh the website that you're on or update the application that you're on. Sometimes you might just have to go through and essentially just update the application or refresh the website, and that can also be another thing that can end up fixing this problem as well. If that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is to see if for some reason, Paramount Plus is actually down, and you can do that by going over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites, and what you want to do is just to go ahead and see if Paramount Plus is on here. If it's on here, you might just have to kind of wait it out until the end of fixing the problem, and then you can check back in for a little bit and kind of see what happens there. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.